Well, here we are at Roseville. First time in saltwater. My fish finder seems to be having a hard time with it. Oh, there we go. 2.8 metres. Very little current, a little bit of wind. Nice looking spot actually. Well, according to the sound of this fish there, I'm just hoping to pick up a stupid flathead that's dumb enough to fall for this plastic. Okay, so I just saw a tiny little fish attacking my Berkeley Gulp, and there we go. So there's fish here, tiny as they may be. Oh, look at them down there. Are they coming up on the sounder? Yep. Look at this. I've caught the tiniest little tailor ever. There you go, camera. That's crazy. Well, 2 Berkeley Gulps for one little tiny topper tailor, but that's still pretty cool. That's my first tailor off the kayak. That's my first fish in salt water on the kayak actually. I'm pretty chuffed. I don't know if you can see all the little fish in there. Little brim. I got the feeling I'm going to go through this old packet of gulp today. I was worried that they didn't work in salt water. They definitely work. Might try and go for a trog, meet back up with the wife. She's probably freaking out. Let's see how we go. I think with this sandy bottom, I think the most I've read's about 5 metres. There's fish all over the bloody sounder. They are hanging a little bit deep, but it's probably the deepest I brought with me. Trawl through the middle and see how we go. Okay, so little SX40, let's jog it. Wow, what's that I just went over? Oh my god, I've got a little brim. A little SX40, first fish on the trawl, very happy. Good stuff. Yes! Yes! That's awesome. Water on the lens. That's my first ever fish trawling on the kayak. Very impressed. First ever brim on the SX40. Very impressed. Awesome. What's on? Got another fish here. Tiny little brim. My first ever brim on soft plastic. How good is that? You got that? Beautiful. My gulp just keeps getting eaten by these bloody tailor. They're ripping them to bits. I think I've gone through 10, 15 of them. How many's in a pack? Oh, how good is this? As if there's not fish all along this wall. Oh, tiny little one, and it's bloody destroyed my... Oh, I keep losing fish. Damn it. There's a little brim too.